Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to link Notion with your Google Calendar. So to do that, you can use the application called Zapier. So this is an integration application which will integrate two applications, and once you're here, just click on create as app. Alright, so now let's select our trigger. So our trigger will be Notion. Alright, and our event will be new database item. Click on continue, and over here just select your Notion account, click on continue again, and then just alright, so let's select our database, click on continue, and let's test our trigger. Alright, now let's click on continue with selected record, and over here now we are headed on to action. So our action will be Google Calendar, and let's check our event. So our event will be create till event. Alright, so click on continue, and you have to sign into your Google Calendar, so let's do that. Alright, click on allow. Alright, so now just click on continue, and then you can just fill in the details. So after you have done that, all you have to do is click on continue, and then your Google Calendar will be linked with your Notion. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.